Hey there, it's Dr. Crypto here with another Tap Global update, ticker name XTP. So, down below in the description, if you want to sign up to the Tap Global app, there is a link down below in the description with a referral code too. If you use that, you'll get about $1 worth or £1 worth of Bitcoin. But it's worth just downloading. It doesn't cost you anything, just a little bit of time. And basically sign up, have a look at it, see what you think, do your research on it, and just go from there. But also, if you want to give us a thumbs up, give subscribe, that's much appreciated. But also, if you want to give us a thumbs down, you know, that's up to you. It just helps with the algorithm anyway. So yeah, that'd be absolutely fantastic. So before I start, also, hope everybody's having a great day wherever you are in this world. So let's get into XTP. So as you can see on XTP USD on the daily, we've had about an 8,000 to 9,000% gain on there. And basically we've just created this support and resistance. As you can see here, we just kept on bumping ahead on resistance. Now we're dropping down and hitting the support. So, but overall, we've just basically created this bullish descending wedge, which is quite bullish really. You know, obviously on charts, it doesn't necessarily mean it's all going to play out, but we just follow the charts. It's saying we're in a descending wedge and it's bullish. So if we put the pole there and then extrapolate it to a potential breakout, that will just get us above that resistance area at around about 20 cents. Stock the RSI at the moment, yeah, it's sort of like, yeah, it's just basically it's going down towards the oversold. Obviously oversold could even go even further, but at the moment we're looking all right. We're looking fairly healthy. And when we have these little drops, I just use it as accumulation. Obviously, you do your own due diligence and never put more money you're willing to lose, sort of thing. So, but I just see this I just see Tap Global as a good investment. It's an investment for the long term. It's I say in other videos as well. It's a long term investment. It's not a short term. So when you see these drops, I don't panic. Whatever. If it drops further, it drops further. I'll just buy some more because I'm looking at the long-term future of it. And I've done my research on it. And I just see this as an opportunity. But like I say, never put more money than you're willing to lose. And that's it. And also, you know, they're on the stock market. They're also coming to America in March, which is extremely bullish because that will bring in more liquidity, more users into the ecosystem. And also we've got that earn which is coming out. That is subject to regulatory acceptance to be able to do that. So I have no doubt that once they get that, they'll be straight on to it. Tap Global will. So, but also, I just want to make this clear, because I've had some people in the comments say to me, you're being paid by Tap Global to do this. I just want to make this completely transparent. I am not being paid by Tap Global at all. This is something that I've invested in. This is something that I have researched into. I'm not being paid by nobody. Nothing on my channel, what I do, are being paid by anybody. All this is done on my own volition. This is my own steam, my own effort. No, don't get paid for any of this. And as you can see on my subscribers, I'm only young channel, so I've got quite low, so I don't get paid for any of this. But I do it because I thought, well, when I'm here at the desk, do my trading, do my investments, why not start to make some videos? And that's what I'm doing. So I've got lots of improvements to do. But also, you know, and I'm just trying to build it because I think it's great. I'm actually quite enjoying making these videos. But with Tap Global, I've done my research, and I really do feel I've got a chance to go a long way, and I just want to be a part of it, you know, because when you do see these other big moves up, it's all brilliant. But yeah, you do get the dips as well. So it is what it is at the end of the day. But looking at the charts at the moment on this, it's looking really healthy. And like I said, you know, you've got a bullish wedge which has basically been formed on this. So I'm expecting at some point soon we will get a breakout. And if you look here, also, if you look on the Bittrex as well, this is the Tap Global to Bitcoin. As you can see here, you've got some really large quantities of buy orders, and you have got fairly short in terms of, sell orders at the moment. So at the moment, you've got this one here, which is about 2 Bitcoin at this point in time. But, as we go on, these sell walls are just getting eaten away. But the buys are just coming in very strong. You've got like 1 Bitcoin, 1 Bitcoin, 2 Bitcoin, 1 Bitcoin, 1 Bitcoin. It's getting stronger and stronger and stronger. And as soon as like these sell walls here disappear, I could really do see XTP is going to explode. Why they're doing it, I do not know. Because if they just remove that, this is just going to rocket up. But it is what it is at the end of the day. I'm here for the long term. So whatever they want to do, let them do it. I'm not really bothered. If it drops down further, I'll buy some more. But none of this is financial advice. You always do your own research. But also, as I do say in other videos, if you want to find out what is any up-to-date news in terms of TAP Global, just go to investigate.co.uk and basically go to company, type in TAP Global, click on the search, and basically here it will tell you what the directors are holding, and at some point it will also give you actually what their profits are. You get their earnings call on it, so always keep an eye out on here on a daily basis actually, because a lot of things can happen. But also you can go to their Twitter page as well and go to TAP Global FinTech, and it'll give you any kind of updates as well in terms of what they're doing there. But always check out Investigate, because they're on the stock market. You could go to, if you want to trade TAP Global, I do have some holdings in TAP Global. You could go to like exchanges like Hargreaves and Lansdowne, which are based in the UK. And obviously I do think there is some more exchanges that have TAP Global on there too. So, but my go-to is Hargreaves and Lansdowne. So you could go to them, register with them, and you can invest in actually TAP Global and have a part of the company there. But also, like I say, check it out on a daily basis, because like I said, they'll give you, if there's been any directors selling or directors buying, or there's been any new partnerships that have been added. It'll all be on here. Generally an hour before they start trading. So, but any other little bits and bobs will be on the, no doubt, on Twitter as well. So, but that's where I normally go to. But looking at overall, you look at CoinMarketCap, we're currently at the moment down about 6%. So yeah. So, but the volume's gradually, it's a bit there. The volume's there. But as I said, looking at the Bittrex, there's a lot of buy orders coming in, so we're all looking quite strong on that. So, but if you like this kind of content, give us a thumbs up and give us a subscribe. All your support is much appreciated. But if you give us a thumbs down, that also, it is what it is, and it's the algorithm. It helps with the algorithm, so yeah, gets more people to see it. So yeah, so I hope you have a great day. Happy investing, or whatever you're doing today. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon in the next video.